Why are eagles so strong? The mighty eagle isn't just called an apex predator for nothing. It's one of the most dangerous species of bird on the planet. We've covered some different types of eagle until now, but today let's take a deeper look into what makes these birds so deadly. Firstly, the eagle is a bird of prey that has been both revered and feared throughout human history. It's one of the most iconic and majestic birds, known for its impressive size, strength, and keen eyesight. We'll dive deeper into the details of what makes it so strong later in the video. Eagles have been present in human culture and mythology for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all associated eagles with their respective gods, and eagles were often used as symbols of power and authority. Not to forget that in Native American cultures, eagles are considered sacred animals and are often featured in their art and ceremonies. They truly are considered the kings of the skies. Moving forward, let's list some key features of the eagle's offensive and defensive arsenal that set it apart from other birds of prey. Number 1. Eyesight. The pair of eyes on these magnificent birds are truly remarkable and are one of the most powerful among all animals in the kingdom. They have 2 eyes, obviously, but did you know that each of them comes with a sharp, foveal central region and a large number of photoreceptor cells called cones that provide excellent visual acuity and color vision? They also have a much higher density of rods than we do, which are responsible for detecting motion and low light vision. If that doesn't make a lot of sense to you, it's fine. An eagle's eye is incredibly complex, built entirely for one purpose: to hunt. Let's talk about the edge that good eyesight gives an eagle over another predator. One of the key advantages of an eagle's eyesight is its ability to see extremely distant objects with incredible detail. Eagles can spot prey from up to 2 miles away, even when the prey is camouflaged or blending in with its surroundings. That vision is estimated to be at least 4 times better than that of a human with perfect eyesight. Isn't that crazy to think about? Secondly, eagles also have the ability to perceive ultraviolet light, which allows them to see details in the plumage of other birds that are invisible to humans. This helps them to identify their prey and track their movements more effectively, almost like a radar. While another unique feature of an eagle's eyesight is its ability to adjust focus very quickly, which enables them to maintain a clear image of its target while flying at high speeds. They can also see with unbelievable clarity and detail, even when moving rapidly through the air. All of these visual abilities make eagles highly effective hunters already, but that's just the beginning of its offensive arsenal. Number 2. Talons. Let's move on to an eagle's main weapon, the talons. They are one of its most powerful tools for hunting. These sharp, curved claws are used to grab and hold onto prey, allowing the eagle to dispatch its meal quickly and efficiently. What sets them apart, however, is the fact that eagle talons are incredibly strong and are capable of exerting tremendous force. They are typically larger and more curved than the talons of other birds of prey, which makes them more effective at grasping and holding on to prey. The talons are also adapted for different types of prey. Eagles that hunt fish, such as the bald eagle, have talons that are specially adapted for gripping slippery fish. These talons are serrated on the underside, which helps the eagle hold onto its prey even when it is wet and slippery. Eagles that hunt small mammals, such as rabbits or squirrels, have talons that are designed to puncture and hold onto their prey. These talons are sharp and curved, which help the eagle to grab onto its prey and hold it securely while delivering a lethal bite. In addition to the talon's strength and size, An eagle's talons are also incredibly precise. They can make quick adjustments and can grasp onto prey with incredible accuracy, even when the prey is moving quickly or is in a difficult position. Number 3. Wings. Let's talk about what gives an eagle its birdy appearance. An eagle's wings are highly adapted for hunting and flying. They are broad, powerful, and designed specifically to enable the bird to soar and maneuver through the air with incredible speed and agility. One of the most important features of an eagle's wings is their large surface area, which provides lift and allows the bird to ascend for long periods without a single flap of its wings. This allows the eagle to conserve massive amounts of energy while searching for prey, and also makes it easier for the bird to spot potential targets from high in the air, almost like a fighter jet. Eagle wings are also extremely flexible, which allows the bird to adjust its wing shape and angle to optimize lift and control its flight. This flexibility is especially important during hunting, as it allows the bird to make sudden changes in direction or speed when pursuing prey. Finally, eagle wings are also highly sensitive to changes in air currents, which allows the bird to use these natural phenomena to its advantage while hunting. Eagles are known for soaring on rising currents of warm air called thermals. Did you know that a lot of the eagle's capability during flight is noted and implemented into our aircraft designs? Number 4. Beak. Another tool in an eagle's offensive arsenal is the beak. The beak is essential for hunting and feeding. It is a highly specialized structure that is perfectly adapted to the bird's needs. One of the most notable features of an eagle's beak is its sharpness. It is incredibly strong and sharp, with a pointed tip that is capable of piercing the tough skin and bones of its prey. This allows the eagle to kill its prey quickly and efficiently, often with a single bite. The beak is also highly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways during hunting. For example, it can be used to tear apart the flesh of larger prey or to crush the shells of smaller animals like crabs. It can also be used to pick up small objects, such as twigs or leaves, which can be used to construct nests for those well-deserved naps. Finally, an eagle's beak is also well adapted for feasting on its prey. It has a hooked shape that allows the bird to tear apart its dinner and access the meat, and is also capable of stripping the feathers or fur from the animal's body. This enables the eagle to consume its prey quickly and efficiently, reducing the risk of other predators stealing the food from under its nose. Why are eagles stronger than other birds of prey, like condors and vultures? Eagles and other birds of prey, like vultures and condors, are birds that have adapted to their environments in unique ways. While all three of these specific birds share some similarities in their features, there are distinct differences that set them apart. Let's take a closer look at what sets the eagle apart in this war for the title of deadliest bird. Firstly, let's look at their sizes. Eagles are generally smaller than vultures and condors, even if there are some exceptions. For example, the golden eagle can weigh up to 15 pounds, while the California condor can weigh up to 26 pounds. This difference in size can, however, bring an entirely different advantage to the eagle. Since it has a higher body-to-wing ratio, an eagle has more speed. Secondly, the feathers. Eagles have strong and sturdy feathers that are designed to withstand the rigors of flying at high speeds and diving to catch prey. Vultures and condors, on the other hand, have more delicate feathers that help them to glide on thermals for long periods without flapping their wings. Vultures and condors have longer, straighter beaks that are better suited for picking at carrion and pulling meat off bones, while eagles have sharp, curved beaks that are used for tearing flesh and crushing bones. Fourthly, eagles have powerful talons that are used for catching and killing prey. You can tell in the design of these sharp claws that they're not for messing around. Vultures and condors, however, have weaker talons that are primarily used for perching and walking. You would rarely see an eagle walk on its talons. After being given information of this magnitude, I'm sure all of you can pick out a clear ruler of the sky. To summarize, while all birds are adapted for their specific lifestyles, eagles are particularly well suited for killing prey. They are just different beasts when it comes to the hunting lifestyle. So next time you get the chance to look up and see an eagle flying above you, remember that you're looking at the king of the skies. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, farewell.